Hello friends, my name is Mukesh Baitanna. Last time we have seen lesson number 2, question answer. Now lesson number 3, Param Nidhanam Kaha. What is the best result or great result? The title of the lesson, what is the best or great result? See the title, what is the best result? You know, Raja Bhoj lived in the 11th century AD in Marwa. King Bhoj, name is Raja Bhoj, who lived in the 11th century in Malwa, known as Madhya Pradesh at present. This particular area is known as MP, Madhya Pradesh at present. Living in Dharanagar, the fame that Raja Bhoj attained at that time is still alive today. Living in Dharanagar, the name of the city, the fame that Raja Bhoj achieved at that time is still alive today. That shows do the good work, then it remain for long time. Persons physically may not be live long, but his work, his popularity live for long time. Even today, many interesting stories of his good governance, his ability to be just even under the most difficult circumstances, and his ability to recognize the learned are popular. God's gift given to him, which give good governance, rules honestly. His ability to be just even under the most difficult circumstances, he did not lose courage. And his ability to recognize the learned are popular. He had these three good virtues. First, mastery in governance, getting control over ruling. He was kind, honest person. Ability to recognize, learn people, knowledgeable people, and in any circumstances, difficult circumstances, he did not lose courage. That was his virtues. A collection of such stories in Sanskrit called Bhoj Prabandh. This collection of such stories called Bhoj Prabandh is very well known, very famous, well known, very famous, that is well known. In this, there are many events related to Raja Bhoj are described here by using many verses with aesthetic poetic qualities. Here, his virtues, events described in this particular lesson in a poetic qualities in a that form. In addition to this, Sanskrit poets of different periods have accepted Raja Bhoj as a character to present their ideas. One such story in dialogue form is presented here, focusing on Bhoj. In addition to this, Sanskrit poet of different period have accepted Raja Bhoj as a character to present their idea because he was kind, honest, and simple man. One story is in a dialogue form is presented here, focusing on Bhoj. In this dialogue between Raja Bhoj and young scholar, it has been attempted to emphasize strength of one thing over the other. Description is a dialogue form between King Boj and a young scholar. The discussion dialogue took place between King Boj and young scholar to emphasize the strength of the one thing over the other. As the conversation progressed, there is a total halt when it comes to the point of contentment. Boj, satisfied with this dialogue, with this discussion, and then this particular argument come to an end. That is, this story lays stress on the importance of contentment. Another, this story shows the importance of contentment also, because King was also lover of learning and literature. He also just believing in justice, himself kind and ruled by heart. People, he ruled in the heart of the people. People loved him very much because he ruled properly, and that is why people attracted towards him higher. While reading this lesson, it is important to pay attention to the concord between the case of the dower and the verb forms. In addition to this, you also have to learn how to case ending of nouns and the various form of the verb change. While reading this lesson, it is important to pay attention to the concord between the case of the dower. Dower means subject. In the verb form, present tense form, past tense form, as it comes in English, it comes in Sanskrit also. In addition to this, you will have to learn how to case ending of noun and the various form of the verb. That is also important. We come across these particular words. Now, translation. Bojah nama nuktihi vidyapriyah kalapriyah prajapriyascha asit. A king named Boj. Nukti means king. Nam, that you know, name. Boj. King named Boj, who was Vidyapriya, lover of learning, Kalapriya, lover of fine arts, and Prajapriya, devoted to subject. Subject means people. So, again, Bojah nam ruktihi vidyapriya kalapriya prajapriyascha asit. King named Boj, who was lover of learning, vidyapriya, vidya, that you know, learning. Priya means lover, lover of learning, kalapriya, lover of fine arts, and prajapriyascha asit. Prajapriyascha means lover of people, devoted to subject, believing in his performing duty in a proper way without doing injustice to any person. अतः तस्य राज्यसभायां दूरदेशात् अनेके विद्या विशारदा पंडिता समागच्छति स्म. So many scholars, expert in laws used to come to his royal assembly from far off countries. Many knowledgeable persons expert person came in his assembly who were expert, knowledgeable, panditaha, knowledgeable, came in his city, in his country. That was what we see in first paragraph. Again, there was a king named Boj, who was lover of learning, lover of fine arts, and devoted to the people. So many knowledgeable persons from different countries expert persons, knowledgeable person came to him in his city. एकदा भोजः प्रासादस्य गवाक्षे उपविष्टे आसीत्. एकदा means once, one day. Boj was seated in the round window of the palace. Prasadasya means palace. One day or once, Boj was seated in the round window of the palace. सह मार्गे एकम नवागंतुकम अनभिघ्नं युवकम पश्यति. He sees a newly arrived, navagantum, newly arrived, unacquainted young man whom he didn't know. He sees a newly arrived, unacquainted young man in the street. तस्य परिचयं ज्ञातुं स ते प्रासादे आह्यति. He calls him into the palace in order to know who he is. In order to know him, he called in his palace. So, tasya paricayam gnatum, want to get its recognition, want to know him who he is, he prasade ahyati, he calls in his palace. ततस्तयोः मध्ये एवं वार्तालापः संजातः. Then between them the conversation took place in this way. ततस्तयोः मध्ये, in this, between these two, एवं वार्तालापः संजातः, discussion take place between these two. Between these two means King Boj and young man. Now see. Bajah, Bhavan kaha vartate. What Boj says, who are you? Bhavan means you, kaha means whom, vartate means is, who are you? Vartate means I. Who are you? Yuvak, aham ghat panditah asmi. What young man said, I am ghat pandit. Say, I am ghat pandit. Boj ghat pandit, kim naam ghat pandit iti? Boj said, ghat pandit. What does Ghat Pandit means? He has heard this name first time. That is why remain in surprise and telling that Kim Nam Ghat Pandit, like this name Ghat Pandit. What young man said? Yuvak yatha gate paripurna jalam tishtati. What young man said? Young man said, just as there is a water filled up to its brim in the pitcher that you know, pot. What young man said, yatha gate paripurna jalam tishtati tathev mayi paripurnam gnatam vartate. If there is a pot full of water, in the same way there is full knowledge in me, or I am full of knowledge. Ataham swamatmanam ghat pandit manye. That is why, so I consider myself to be Ghat Pandit. What young man said when Boj asked him, Bhavan kaha vartate? Who are you? What young man said, I am Ghat Pandit. Boj put in survey asking, Ghat Pandit? Why name like this Ghat Pandit? What does it mean? Now young man said, Yatha gate paripurna jalam tishtati. If the pot is full of water, tathev mayi paripurnam gnatam vartate. Like this, I am also full of knowledge. Ataha aham swatmanam. That is why I myself believing Ghat Pandit. What young man said to King Boj. Now Boj telling. Bojah yuvakasya garvapurnam uktim shrutva swatmanam tato adhyagam matva ahankarena saha. So King Boj said himself, listen to the proud speech of the young man and thinking himself to be better than him proudly. He says, what he says, yadi tvam gatah asmi tahi aham mud garatven vartai. What King Boj said after observing him, listening to the proud speech of the young man, thinking himself to be better than him, proudly and said, "If you are a pitcher pot, I am a hammer." Mudgarate means hammer. What he says, King Boj, "Yadi tvam ghatah asmi," if you are a pot, tahi, then aham mudgaratven varte, I am a hammer. Mudgarah swakiyan praharen ghatam vinasyati. What says that hammer breaks the pitcher by its own. What King Boj said, if you are pot, I am hammer. And as you know, with the help of hammer can easily break the pot. Ghatam vinasyati, destroy, break the pot. By its own stroke. Aham api ghat rupam bhavatam vinashyami. That is why I will also destroy you like a pitcher. What King Boj said to young man, if you are a pot, I am a hammer, and hammer can break the pot easily. That is why I will break you. What he says, I will destroy you. King Boj said to young man. Young man now say, what he said? Yadi bhavan mudgaraten vartiyase tadi aham agni bhavami. What young man said? If you are like a hammer, I will become fire. Yadi bhavan mudgaraten vartisyate. If you are hammer, tahi aham agni bhavami. Then I am fire. Dahan karma agni bhutva mudgaram bhasmam karishyami. And as you know, fire can destroy the hammer. Hammer, as you know, made of iron, and iron can be easily melted in fire. That is why young person said, if you are a hammer, I will be fire. Fire can burn hammer. What he want to say this. Next page. भोजः तम यदि बहित्वेन वर्त्यसे तदि अहम वृष्टि भविष्यामि. What King Boj said further? What King Boj said again? When young man said that if you are like a hammer, I will become fire. Becoming fire, which does the work of a burning, I will reduce hammer to ashes. Now King Boj said, Yadi bahitvam vartiyase tadi aham vrushti bhavishyami. What King Boj said? If you are become fire, I shall become rain. What say? Tvam yadi bahishyan vartiyase tahi aham vrushti. If you become fire, I will become rain. हृष्टे पुरतः ही स्थायितु न शक्ति तथा त्वमपि मम पुरतः स्थातु न शक्नोमि. As you know, the fire cannot stand before the rainfall. Similarly, you cannot stand in front of me. What King Boj want to say? That if you become fire, I will become rain. And in the presence of rain, as you know, fire will not take place. That is why you cannot stand in front of me. Young man said, Rushti tu vayu swabalen yatra kutrapi vahitum hati. What young man said? But wind is able to blow rain. Rushti rupen bhavatam vayu bhutva itihi bahishyami. What he says? Becoming the wind, I will blow you here and there when you are in the form of rain. What young man said, if you become rain, I will become wind. And as you know, wind can take the rain. Rain cannot stand in front of wind. That is why young person said, if you become rain, I will become wind. So you cannot stand in front of मी. पॉज. यदि भवान् वातत्वेन वर्तिहति अहं वायुभक्षकः भुजगः भविष्यामि. What King Boj said further, if you become wind, I will become a snake. तहि अहम वायुभक्षकः भुजगः भविष्यामि. I will become snake. भुजगः सन सततं वायुरूपं भवन्तं भक्ष्यामि. And being a snake, I will eat you who are in the form of wind constantly. What he says that I will become snake, and snake can take the wind. Wind cannot stand in front of the snake, so I will become snake and eat the wind. Yuvakaha. Again the young man said, Bhavan yadi sarpaha bhavishyati tadi aham sarp bhakshako garudo bhavami. What young man said? If you become the snake, I will become the eagle. Eating snake, as you know, eagle can eat snake. That is why telling. If you become snake, I will become eagle. Sarpa bhakshako garudo bhavami. Sarp bhaksha who can eat snake. That is why young man said, if you become snake, I will become eagle. An eagle can eat snake, so you cannot stand in front of me. Bhojaha vakeli vardhyam tvam yadi garudaho amitahi aham chakradarak vishnuhu. Vishnu garudarud bhavati. King Boj think, taking the play of words ahead and telling, if you are the eagle, then telling I am Vishnu. What was said? Chakradarak. Holding Sudarshan Chakra, Vishnu rides on the eagle. Vishnu's vehicle, as you know, eagle. That is why King Boj taking this play ahead and telling, if you become eagle, I will become Vishnu, who is holding chakra. Yuvakaha. Mansa Vishnu Pranavyam cha Pandityam Pradeshe Agre Vadati. Bowing down to Vishnu mentally and displaying scholarship, showing. What says? Yadi Bhavan Chakradhara Vishnu tahi aham bhavataha mastakasya upri sobmanam mukutam asmi. What young man said? If you become Vishnu, then I am the crown that looks beautiful on your head, on his head. What young man said, if you become Vishnu, I will become the crown, and crown always remain on the head of the person and showing its beauty or his beauty. The crown always stays on the head. That is why telling that if you become Vishnu, I will become the crown of the Lord Vishnu, and crown remain on the upside. What he want to say this? What he further said this? And mastakasya sada upri eva tishtate. And as you know, crown remain on the head of the person always. Boj said, Yuvakasya Pandityam Anubhuyah, after experiencing the scholarship of the young man, and said, Tahi Mukutasya Upri Savmanam Puspaham Evaham Aduna Tavo Paristhasyaami. What King Boj said further, if then I am the flower looking beautiful on the crown. If this way, in this way, I shall be above you. What King Boj said further. If you become crown, I will become flower, and flower remain on the head of the crown. What is further said? What he want to tell this? Aduna sarvopari pashyami. Yuva. भवान् यदि पुष्पं भविष्यति तर्हि अहं भ्रमरो भूत्वा तव पुष्पस्य उपरि स्थास्यामि. What young man said, if you become flower, I shall also become a bee. Bhramaraha means bee. And beyond your flower, I can take the particular liquid from the flower. Pause. एवं भवान विरपः तहि अहम सूर्यः. What further says that if you become bee, pause say, I am the sun. अहम सूर्यः. सूर्यः means sun. पुष्पस्य अन्तः स्थित भ्रमरः सूर्यास्त काले बंदी भवति. What King Bose said, if you become the bee, I am the sun. The bee that is inside the flower becomes a prisoner there at the time of sunset. What King Bose said to young man, if you become flower, if you become bee, then I will become the sun and I will cross these particular flowers in the evening, and in this way we become prisoner. King Bose said to this. युवक, अहो भवान सूर्यस्त ही अहम महाप्रभावी राहु. राहुस्तु सूर्यग्रस्ते. What young man said? Oh, if you are the sun, I am very powerful Rahu. What he says? Mahaprabhavi Rahu, very effective Rahu. Rahu is to Suryagrasti. And Rahu follows the sun. It is believing like this that Rahu can follows the sun. That is why this particular discussion taking place between King Bose and young man. What he says, that if you become sun, I will become Rahu, and Rahu can follow the sun. भोजा किश्चित उच्चहि भवान राहु चेह अहम राहु रूपाय तुभ्यम दान दानिष्यामि. What King Bose said, that if you become Rahu, I will give money to you, donation to you, who has assumed the form of Rahu. और से दान ग्रहणे तवा गर्व निश्चिंत शांत भविष्यति. After getting money, you satisfy. युवकः विश्वस्य चातुर्येण. Young man said, यदि भवान दानी तहि अहम संतुष्टः. If you give money, then I will satisfy. What young man said, भवतः दानस्य प्रयासः निष्फल भविष्यति. I will not make your attempt succeed. Your effort of charity will be fruitless. I will not accept charity. सर्वतः अलुब्धः अहम भवतः दानम न ग्रहीष्यामि. Being absolutely free from greed, I shall not take money offered by you of charity from you. In this way, young man also keep his argument continuously and telling. एवं तरोतरम विवाद तरह भोज युवको मध्ये यदा संतोषस्य विषय समुत्ततः. In this way, the discussion course of argument going on, Bojah and the young man engrossed in controversy when the topic of the contentment came. तदा समागते संतोष सर्वशांत भवति इति वचनानुसार विवादोपि स्वयं शांतः. This difficult or this particular discussion also came to the end. ante chatur jnanen gunescha. Ante, in the end, chatur jnane gunescha cha upetam panditam yuvakam pranabhya dharapatihi. After bow down to the pandit and Dharapati, the king of the Dhara, telling, यही घट पंडित गुण पूज के धारा देशे भवतः स्वागतम अस्ति. I welcome you. You are welcome in the kingdom of Dhara, that is the worshipper of quality or merit. भवान विजयी जातः, become victorious. संतुष्ट जन्म न कोऽपि पराजिते भवति. You have become victorious. No one can defeat a person who is contented. यदि ही संतोष एव पुरुषस्य परम निधानं वर्तते. That is why it is said that contentment is the great treasure of man. What King Bhoj said to him, welcome young man. Bring this lecture and here have to write translation. I will send you the PDF file. Okay? One time you have to write this translation and read this particular starting words given in English. Okay, bye, thank you.